Welcome to the video introduction to the online catalog of the library at the French Cultural Center. With the online catalog, you can search our library collection of books, DVDs, recordings, language learning materials, and other items in several ways. By doing a simple search, by doing an advanced search, or by searching for items that have been grouped into lists with pre-formatted searches. This video will illustrate each type of search. You do not have to be a member of the French Cultural Center to search the catalog. However, if you are a member, logging into your account will give you several benefits, including the ability to reserve library materials and to renew materials that you have already borrowed. A separate video will cover these and other advanced features. Let's begin with a simple search. Start by selecting your search criteria, title, author, or subject in this drop-down list. For example, select Author to search for items in the library by Jules Verne. Type Jules Verne in the search bar. Click on Go. In just a few seconds, your results will appear. And you see that the library holds 41 items by Jules Verne. Let's look closely at one listing. The first item is 20,000 lieues sous les mers, 20,000 leagues beneath the sea. At a glance, you can see that this item is a sound recording. Jules Verne is listed as author, of course. The names of Charles Aznavour and Jacques Gamblin appear because they were the voice performers for this recording. Very importantly, the listing will tell you whether an item is available for loan, such as this one. Further down on our list is an example of a Jules Verne work that has been checked out and so is not available. Notice, by the way, that the listings are sorted by their relevance to your search query. You can use this drop-down box to sort by title, author, or other criteria. Before we move to an advanced search, let's return to the Simple Search homepage to mention one important thing. The titles of most materials in the library are in French, so use French when searching for them. Most DVDs and videos are listed in both French and English, so you can search for them with either language. However, when searching by subject, you will get the best results by using English search terms. For example, city rather than ville, or history instead of histoire. Now let's try an advanced search. As you can see, we have more options for search criteria. You don't have to use them all, just the ones that you want. For example, you can construct a search using multiple criteria and the 3 Boolean logic connectors, and, or, not. Let's say we want to find items in the library collection about exploration in the Americas. Thus we have two subjects, exploration and America. In the first search field, we set the criterion to subject, and we type in exploration. We leave the Boolean operator set to and. Then in the second search field, we again set the criterion to subject, and we type in America. We click on search, and we find that we have our choice of 17 items in the library about exploration in the Americas. The advanced search page offers other options as well. You can limit the publication date range if you would like. You can search by collection, for example, the adult collection or the children's collection. Within those two categories, items are classified further, for example, comic books, fiction, nonfiction, and so forth. Also, by clicking on item type, you can specify the format of the items that appear in your search results. Last, we look at the search tool incorporated into the Lists button. Click on this button to display a selection of pre-formatted searches created by the library staff to complement programs and classes offered at the French Cultural Center. For example, Prix Littéraire calls up a list of works that have won literary prizes in recent years. There is a selection that will show you items that relate to literature and the cinema. There even are pre-formatted searches for library items that are appropriate for various age groups of children who are taking French language lessons at the center. Click on any of these choices to view the corresponding items in the collection. At the bottom of the selection list, you will see an option for your lists. If you are a member of the French Cultural Center, you can log in to create and manage your own lists of library items. This and other advanced features will be discussed in the next video. We hope to see you very soon at the French Cultural Center.